How to enable your backlight keyboard on any laptop. So if you want to turn on your keyboard light on any laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your keyboard and then you need to press some keys. So if you're using your HP laptops, then you need to locate the backlight key. Usually if it might be F5, F9 or F11 marked with a keyboard illumination icon. And after that, you may also need to press Fn key along with the backlight key on some models. The right arrow key may control the backlight. You may need to press the combination multiple times to cycle through brightness levels. If you want to turn it off, it's the same thing. You need to press Fn and then backlight key combination. You need to press until the light turns off completely. Or if you want to do that on Dell laptop, then here it says that it's easy to determine whether your computer is equipped with a backlight keyboard or not is to look for the backlight option, which is right here on your keyboard. So you will have this kind of interface on your keyboard on a key. So you just need to simply press that, which is found basically on F5 or F6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. So it might also be on the right arrow key located in the lower right corner. To cycle through the brightness options on your keyboard, press and hold the Fn key and then press the backlight key. If nothing happens, then hold the Fn key and then press the escape key and then try again. So in this way, you'll be able to turn on or turn off your backlight key on your keyboard. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.